Yo, what's up? My name is Dan and this is The Walk. We're here to help you take your next step in following Jesus, and it's been a long time since I posted or recorded videos. I'm a student pastor. I've been to camp for 2 separate weeks with different groups of students, just helping them just fall in love with God even deeper. It was an amazing time that I had. I'm going to be sharing stories about that on my channel, but I just want to give you a quick word from something I found in my notebooks a long time ago, all the way back to 2016, and it's in Acts 7, verses 35 and 36, and it says, "This Moses, whom they rejected, when they said, 'Who appointed you a ruler and a judge?' This one God sent as a ruler and a redeemer, by means of the angel who appeared to him in the bush. This man led them out and performed wonders and signs in the land of Egypt, Red Sea, and in the wilderness 40 years. Man, this passage is amazing. And I wrote this so long ago. And what it says was, Moses was rejected as a leader by men, but appointed a leader by God. In that he led and God worked through him for the rest of his life, for 40 years, to do great things. For it does not matter if man accepts you, but only if God does." See, in this, what it says so clearly is that we seek the approval of our God the Father who is in heaven, not the approval of man. My first and foremost responsibility is not to the students I minister to. It's not to their parents. It's not to the other pastors at my church or elders over our church. My first and foremost responsibility is to the God who appointed me a shepherd over the flock that I'm here to support and love. That's the same for you. Before anything else, before you answer to anyone, you're responsible to God who appointed you to the role that you're at, to the leader, to the son that you are, the daughter that you are, the mother, the father that you are, to the sibling that you are, to the spouse that you are, to the co-worker that you are, the neighbor that you are, those you have been appointed to act on behalf of God who brought you to that role. And it's not about what men think of you, even though that may be a sign of what God is trying to say, but first and foremost, we must be seeking, am I pleasing God in the role that I'm given? Thank you so much. I'm going to be posting more videos. It's been just hard to even get one uploaded, but it's been amazing. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more content that helps you grow practically in your faith. And like this one, remember the goal is to see God and follow Him, and every day grow one step closer to who He wants you to be. Peace out.